Hello, I'm David, an Edinburgh tour guide who's lived in the beautiful city of Edinburgh for over 50 years. I can't be that old, I hear you say. In this video, I show you some of the places we visit on my exciting tour of Edinburgh's beautiful New Town, which has some of the finest Georgian buildings and architecture in the world. Now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it was built in several different phases since 1767, with the first phase the vision of architect James Craig, whose grand gridiron design was a big and much needed departure from the overcrowded and squalid conditions of the Old Town. On this tour we'll visit beautiful Georgian houses and squares, magnificent churches and galleries, and learn all about the famous characters and residents of the Edinburgh Enlightenment who helped shape the modern world. The tour is completely private to you and your family or party and includes up to 6 people, which is great value for money. It lasts 3 hours and is a fixed price too. It can be tailored to your specific interests, whether that's history, architecture or photography, or a combination of all three. Here's some footage of some of the places we visit on the New Town tour, which you can book at the bottom of this page or on my website. I'll put a link here. Thanks so much for watching, and I really look forward to welcome you to Edinburgh soon.